and lays down the law, actually experts say that 50 lakh cases across the country, vertically right till the bottom, can be solved because the law is settled.
Sushri Sushmita Devji demand to increase constitutional benches of the Supreme Court and the regional benches of the High Courts for efficacious legal remedy.
Thank you, sir. Sir, justice delayed is justice denied. And I believe that the primary reasons why justice is delayed in this country is because of the large number of cases that are pending in our Supreme Court and High Court. And the second reason is that we do not have access to justice, either because of lack of resources, because litigation is a luxury, sir, and secondly because of the distances we have to cover to reach Supreme Court and High Court. I remember there was a question number 32 starred in this session where the Law Ministry said that the Supreme Court judges in a full court meeting decided that there was no need for regional benches. But what I am demanding is a permanent constitutional bench, and the reason for it is, sir, in our country, in the Constitution Article 124, we started with 7 judges, but today we are at 34, which means that the Parliament can legislate to add to the number of judges in Supreme Court. The reason that the Chief Justice of India may not want regional benches and more benches across the country is because of the paucity of the number of judges. But if we give them that human resource, if we increase the number of 34 judges to more, I am sure and I have no doubt that the Chief Justice of India will consider having a permanent constitutional bench. The present Chief Justice of India, the former Chief Justice of India have all given their opinion in different forums that they are keen to do so. But it needs the support of the Parliament. Sir, if one constitutional bench decides and lays down the law, actually experts say that 50 lakh cases across the country, vertically right till the bottom, can be solved because the law is settled. So that is the impact of a constitutional bench. I just moved this for a particular reason. Sir, in Assam, there's a plethora of cases, whether it is CAA, NRC. One simple example is that the biometrics of the people whose names were inside the NRC, around 26 lakh people don't have an Aadhaar card because their biometrics are blocked because the decision of the Supreme Court is yet to be interpreted. This bench has been unable to hear this matter because these judges get pulled into constitutional benches. This is my personal experience from my state, and my people are suffering. That's why I thought of raising this in this August House, that if we set up a permanent constitutional bench, then the ordinary people who suffer because of delay, we may be able to alleviate that grievance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sushmita ji.